what comes to mind when you think of windows and doors? Functionality, security, privacy, or what about style, the view, or perhaps the most enhancing feature in your home? Hey guys, it's Derek Badirat from Domus Windows and Doors, and today you guys are going to be joining me on another house tour as we take a look at Domus's custom windows and doors in this amazing property here. Let's check it out. Hey guys, so one of the first things you're going to notice when you walk into this property is this 12-foot sliding patio door. Now, what I love about this door, apart from all its wonderful natural light, is this ability to slide all the way back, which opens your pool area to the indoor. So you've got the ideal blend of outdoor and indoor living together. So as we continue along, and we see these multi-million-dollar views, as you can see, nothing is going to be obstructed from this view. So take a look at this now 16-foot door, 16 foot of just pure luxury. So as you can see, we have our clean white lines and it's all topped off with our hardware. I mean, look at that. It's sleek, looks very good, and it's extremely durable. Now, one of the best parts about this room, apart from our beautiful view, is the fact that these are all Solar E glass. Remember we spoke about Solar E, where it reduces the amount of heat within your home. So in terms of energy consumption, you're going to be saving. As well as these beautiful pieces of glass are reinforced because these are all security laminated. So it's safety, it's luxury, and it's style. It's Domus. So just above me, you will see this custom designed window. The client was really specific as they wanted it to really enhance the shape of the ceiling, as well as it brings in a lot of natural light into this huge bedroom. Not only that, it sits just above this U-shaped multi-unit patio door where you have all these amazing views and it looks really good. So this particular unit, it's going to be a combination of fixed pieces with security laminated glass, as well as these patio doors, which again opens up to the amazing views to the outside. The client also opted for our full uPVC louver doors for their utility rooms. These provide excellent ventilation without compromising privacy. So one of the last features that I want to show you guys in this home is this swing view patio door. Again, it's all about customizability, as you've got this side light or fixed piece panel added on to the side here. This is a really great option if you don't have enough room for a sliding door. Because it's a bit too small, the swing view doors work just as well. This door is actually coupled with our multi-locking system, which is perfect for coastal areas, as well as it's a very impressive look. So guys, it's just about that time. I've got to be hitting the gym, so I'll be seeing you guys soon. So look forward to our next house tour. Bye.